everybody, hello and welcome. I'm just going to do a quick-ish flip through of this journal. It's an autumn journal. It was made in autumn and it's very autumn coloured and flavoured. I'll just give you some dimensions before I begin. It measures 6 1/4 by 8 1/2. And the spine measures 2 1/2, and it's a 2-signature journal, but as you can see they're fairly chunky signatures. It's held together with this tie, which is sari silk, beautiful sort of turmeric colour. It's gorgeous. And on the front we've got the Bugsy and other nice things, these pumpkins, and that says November, obviously, as you can see. So let's untie it and dive in and see what's inside. Well, look at that for a start. I just love that paper. It's so beautiful. And here we have the cover of the first signature, and inside here we've got a massive journaling card with lovely eyelash trim. So that's a good start. Page of Edith. Which journal could ever possibly be complete without a page of Edith? Look at that lovely text. Here we've got an envelope, some little pieces. The bits that are obvious I won't say to you because you can see them. Really useful. And a bit more lace on that one. This one's just got some light stenciling, so you can easily journal on there. Another book page with a little poem about November. Here we've got an angle pocket journaling card. This we made ourselves. I did it on a live and a lot of you had a go at it. It's really a nice way to make a background. And here we've got just an altered paper clip there holding this journaling card in place. Beautiful sunflower page. Here we've got down the side, it's a paper ruffle with lace sewn on, and it is so beautiful. It really is. I know that you're not seeing the full beauty of that. It's just gorgeous. And some leaf stencils, which once again you can easily journal over, is what I'm trying to say, excuse me. Look at that for coffee stained paper. How absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Absolutely love it. And a page from a mushroom book. And then we've got this pocket with the 3 likely lads. More of that background that we made. They just fit into there with lovely eyelash trim, design page from Artie Mays. I'm pretty sure it's Artie Mays. And this is a gatefold, yeah. Folds open like that. You've got journaling down each side if you want. Got a journaling card in the middle. And it's just held together with the ribbon there. Then here we have a little part page insert with lace down. This is a stamp that I coloured in. A pocket journaling card. That's a nice journaling card, isn't it? Tag. Very nice. Some more journaling space, design sheet. Centre spread of this one, and I've just got 2 envelopes here. They open up and they've got journaling inside. Just open that up and open it up and you've got a whole sheet of journaling, and yet it just looks so pretty. And the one in there is the same. It opens up to a whole sheet and that just tucks down into there, holds it in place like that. I very much like that. Design page. Here we've got a page that's just folded over with a bit of decoration on it, holding this tag in place. Lots of journaling here and on the back of there. So I have left, it is quite decorated, this journal, but it does have journaling space in it. Journaling space there, a little decoration He's lovely, isn't he? Journaling space on the back and down there, of course. And then here we have, this is lovely, this was a jelly plate print. Very nice. And a journaling card in there. Angled pocket with some lace on. Collage journaling card. You could journal on there if you wanted to. Design page, but it has got lines on it, so you can easily journal on that. The other side of the mushroom page. And here we have a double. This is a jelly plate print as well, and I love it. I absolutely love the way it came out. So I had to include it. Just a couple of journaling cards like that, and some mushrooms. And this is the other side of that. Oh, love it. Here we've got a little, well, it's a tuck really, and it's not the most robust tuck, but you know, if you're careful, well, you don't even have to be careful, just don't abuse it and it'll be fine. And it's got that nice little tag in there. More journaling space here, and then here we've got a notebook that actually comes out. So it's a little scrappy notebook. It says identification check, and it's all sewn and everything. And these you can either tear out as you go or leave them. There's quite a bit of space in here really to journal. All sorts of different papers, etc. And I just hook the back piece of paper over this belly band here, and it slides down in and keeps it safe, or you can take it out if you want to go somewhere. Bit of lace on there. Journaling here, the other side of Edith, and a great big journaling card there in that pocket. I mean, it's monstrous. So that's that signature. Then we start on the second signature, design page. And I've left a big pocket in here. I often do that with my journals, actually. Leave a big pocket so you can put things in there as you're sort of going, you know, ticket stubs or cinema tickets, or sometimes when you're staying at a bed and breakfast or a hotel or whatever it is, they have pamphlets on places that they think might interest you. You just pick it up, put it in there, and then when you've got time at a later date, you can journal about it. Here we've got a ribbon belly band. How beautiful is that? With a journaling card. I love these sort of decaying leaves. I really like that journaling card in total, actually. And space on the back to journal. That goes in there, and it's held in with just a little paper clip with a bit of ribbon on it. And here we've got a pocket like so, with a great big journaling card in. There really is a lot of journaling space in here. And this is another jelly plate print. Need to get my jelly plate out again, actually. Here we've got just a corner kind of tuck pocket, really, like that. Plenty space for journaling. In the back we've got this lovely tag, and this one. And then in the front, these two cutesy ones just go in there, like so. Journaling space. I've stenciled through with different coloured inks, but still you can journal, no problem. Edith page of toadstools. Lovely Edith text. Lovely, lovely. It's all about November and what she did in November. This is a design sheet, but it's obviously for journaling on. And journaling on here, and here's another of these gorgeous paper, pleated paper with lace on top. I love them, really love them. And here we've got another angled pocket with lace down, and it's got a journaling card and another oh, that's a little envelope. Yeah, it's a little coin envelope, and it's got a little thing inside. In you go. There we are, and then two tags that fit into the smaller pocket. just like so. Some lace down there. Look at this again. Oh my goodness. Then this book page that folds out. A design sheet. Then this side pocket with a big journaling card. That's really nice. Goes in there. The part page there, which I've made a pocket in just so as I could slip that into, and this has got lace all over it. Just slides into there. Journaling page. Here we've got a sort of little side tuck really, and it's pinned in. This is pinned in, and it's another one of those full page journaling spaces. How did I have that? Not like that. Yeah, like that. So it's just got a tab on to sort of tell you there's more to it really than just that, and it just slides into there like that, and it sort of goes with this ribbon, which I like. That's journaling. It's a design sheet, but it's journaling. Then here's the centre of this spread. Wow, get your sunglasses on, it's bright. And then in there we've got this, plenty journaling. I've stenciled on the inside of there. Just hooks into there, and this one's pretty much the same. Full sheet of journaling. It's just a really good way to add journaling, I think. That just tucks into there, so that's that page. Design page for journaling. Then this, which folds out to envelope flip. It's got a little journaling card in there. Just slides in there, and then this is an acetate window, and it's got this journaling card in there, which I love. I love this one. It's beautiful. Journaling on the back. It's quite a large journal, isn't it? Stenciled page. This page, which is a part page. I see now what it is. It's a part page with a little mushroom cluster, and that just tucks up into there like that. Then a little, oh, that's nicely stenciled. Then a little angled pocket with a postcard in it. Design page. The other side of the book page. Coffee stained paper with lace on it. And then here we've got a double pocket, this large one that goes all the way down. Nice big tag. Mushrooms. And then these two smaller ones go in the front. Journaling page. Journaling page. The other side of Edith. Largely journaling page with just a little library pocket in there. Fits into there. And then here we've got horizontal belly band made with that ribbon again, which is beautiful and so in keeping. Big journaling card. And here we've got a little pocket at the bottom with 3 tags in. Like so. And then another one of these big, useful pockets, page pocket really, to put in your things as you go. And that is that. The fabric that this is covered in is gorgeous, I think. Look at that. It's so, so nice. And that, ladies and gents, is that. That is my journal. I hope you like it. It will be in my Etsy shop very soon. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you all again very soon. Bye.